All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we are diving into an absolute game changer of a concept, especially if you're just starting out in your career and you want to build serious, long-term wealth. I want you to forget the flashy cars, forget the designer clothes you constantly see flexed all over your feed. Instead, we're unpacking the Stealth Wealth Blueprint. This is your concrete, no-nonsense roadmap to locking in early savings, completely crushing your debt, and quietly accumulating massive assets before that early career lifestyle creep even has a chance to set in. Let's get right into it.
So take a second and just look around. Who is actually wealthy? Have you ever noticed that the truly wealthy people in your town rarely actually look rich? It's really time to question that illusion. Because while everyone else is busy flexing fake success on social media, trying so incredibly hard to look the part, regular folks with average jobs are out there quietly stacking cash. They're building literal seven-figure fortunes without a single flashy Rolex in sight.
And honestly, that brings us right to our core concept, stealth wealth. It's the practice of quietly building seven-figure fortunes and internal peace without displaying all those flashy status symbols. It's about completely opting out of the exhausting social status game. You know, the one where you spend money you don't even have to impress people you don't even like. Instead, it's a powerful, highly secretive strategy that's focused 100% on real financial freedom.
Okay, let's dive into this 5-step roadmap. We've got 1. The social status trap. 2. Crush debt, save early. 3. Assets over fake success. 4. Master high-value skills. And 5. The Stealth Wealth Master Plan.
Section 1. The social status trap. Escaping the illusion of loud wealth.
And this brilliantly illustrates what happens when you compare the loud game versus the smart game. The loud, broke flexer will happily go out and finance a $70,000 truck strictly for the look, literally a rapidly depreciating liability. But the quiet millionaire, they play the smart game. They'll take that exact same $70,000 and put it straight into a duplex or an index fund. Think about it. One of these options costs you money every single month, while the other prints money for you while you're sitting on the couch watching Netflix. It's all about focusing on income-producing power, not superficial impressions.
Section 2. Crush debt, save early. The foundational steps.
And that brings us to the absolute most important number in your early financial life: 0. Listen, society today treats credit card debt like it's this cute, harmless little pet that just follows you around. But quiet millionaires, no way. They demand a zero balance. They treat bad consumer debt like a radioactive hazard because it is the absolute silent killer of wealth accumulation. If an item doesn't actively make you money, it should never ever be making you monthly payments. No finance couches, no lease luxury cars, no vacation debt. Just 0. Now, what's really interesting about this is how the wealthy approach their cash flow using a reverse budget. Instead of getting a paycheck and asking, okay, what can I buy? They immediately take 20% and pay their future selves first. You've got to budget backwards, moving that 20% chunk straight into your investments before you touch a single dime of it. Then you just adapt your lifestyle to live on the remaining 80%. Your lifestyle has to adapt to your wealth goals, never the other way around.
Section 3. Assets over fake success. Buying income streams.
This is where the magic happens. You have to let compound interest do the heavy lifting for you. Every single dollar you save by opting out of those luxury liabilities we just talked about, it shouldn't just sit in a checking account getting eaten alive by inflation. It must be reinvested. A stealth wealth practitioner acts kind of like a quiet ninja with a calculator. They aggressively funnel cash into index funds, real estate, and dividend stocks, and they simply let compounding work its absolute magic over time.
So what exactly are we compounding here? Automatic money machines. Think rental properties, digital products, affiliate links. You see, most people are completely trapped in this work more, make more cycle. Waking up, clocking in, surviving those endless meetings that definitely should have been emails. But true freedom, that means breaking out of that cycle entirely. It means building systems that literally print money while you're hanging out at the beach or while you're fast asleep. Your money shows up to work even if you don't.
Section 4. Master high-value skills, your income engine.
So, the crucial point here, especially in your early career phase, is that your absolute most valuable asset isn't actually a stock. It's your individual skill set. Your income will never outgrow your personal skill set. Quiet millionaires know this. They treat books, mentorships, and specialized courses as high ROI investment tools, not annoying expenses. If you want to radically increase the amount of money you can funnel into those investments, you absolutely have to upgrade your earning engine first.
To really accelerate your wealth, you want to master high-value trades, things like sales, digital marketing, negotiation, and real estate investing. Why these specific skills? Because while physical assets can be lost or stolen, these highly profitable skills, they stay in your head forever. They make you incredibly valuable to literally any marketplace and guarantee your ability to generate income no matter what the broader economy decides to do.
Let's move to and see how this all builds into Section 5, the Stealth Wealth Master Plan, playing the long game. If you go up and ask the average person about their financial future, they'll usually tell you they hope to win the lottery. But ask a quiet millionaire, they execute a data-driven plan. They set very specific net worth milestones, establish clear passive income targets, and they track their metrics monthly on a spreadsheet. They don't guess. They know that a plan without data is literally just a daydream.
Building wealth really isn't flashy. It's actually about embracing the boring path and staying ridiculously consistent. In month 1, you're automating your transfer routines tightly. By year 1, you're buying the exact same index funds, which, let's be honest, is about as thrilling as watching paint dry, but that is the secret. By year 5, you're holding steady through market crashes and social media drama without panic selling. And by year 10, you've built a fortune. True wealth relies on these automated, boring routines, never on temporary spikes of motivation.
And here is the biggest secret of the whole shebang. Public success is loud. It's all designer logos, leased luxury cars, and desperately chasing net likes. But stealth wealth? It's quiet. It's plain t-shirts, a ridiculously reliable 10-year-old sedan, and a hyper-focus on net worth. Keeping your thriving portfolio in absolute silence is your ultimate shield. Think about it. When nobody knows what you have, nobody knows what to take from you. It protects you from jealousy, awkward family dynamics, and those inevitable requests for bad loans.
The ultimate takeaway for you is simple. Stop playing the loud game and start playing the smart one. For anyone out there just starting their careers, hear me clearly on this. You do not need a massive trust fund, and you don't need to be some extraordinary genius to retire early and wealthy. You really just need to embrace this blueprint, master your skills, keep your success totally private, and then just let time do the rest.
So what does this all mean for you right now? I'm going to leave you with this provocative final question. Which stealth wealth strategy are you automating today? Seriously, are you going to zero out that credit card? Are you going to set up that 20% reverse budget transfer? Or maybe dive into a book to master a new high-value skill? Lock in your focus right now. Being underestimated by the world is a massive competitive superpower. Use it. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep stacking quietly, and I'll catch you for our next deep dive.